In our morning rounds, taking charge of your heart health. A new study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology says 5 is the magic number. That's how many lifestyle changes it takes to reduce the risk of a heart attack by nearly 80%. Our Dr. Narula is a cardiologist at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York. Good morning.
Good morning, Nora.
Okay, we've heard about healthy living. What is this new 5 steps?
So this really lays out a picture of what we mean by healthy lifestyle and how dramatically you can reduce your risk of having a heart attack. The study followed 20,000 men who were healthy over the course of a decade, and they found that if those men adhered to 5 behaviors, then they could decrease the risk of heart attack by 86%. Those 5 behaviors were a healthy diet, exercise, quitting smoking, moderating their alcohol, and keeping their waistline in check.
Does it apply to women as well?
It does. It definitely applies to women. Even though this study focused on men, we have research that shows the same factors play into women's risk.
And when I heard what we had to do, I had another one of those day moments. How many times do we have to keep saying this?
We have to say it a lot of times. Yeah, I mean, it's not sexy to talk about heart disease.
Is that what it is? Is that what it is?
It's not. It's so ubiquitous. I think that people forget how important it is. It's not exciting. But the reality is it's never too often to talk about the risk factors, to educate people, and to focus on prevention.
So what's significant about this report, since they are telling us what we already knew?
I think the significant thing is bringing to light how big an impact you can make. I mean, this study showed you could decrease 4 out of 5 coronary events in a healthy population. So we talk
4 out of 5?
4 out of 5.
Wow.
So we talk about medication all the time, but by changing your behaviors, you can really change the course of your destiny.
Is one change more important than the others of the 5 that you listed?
When you look at the 5, the quitting smoking had the biggest impact. It decreased the risk of heart attack by 36%, and that was followed by a healthy diet. Simply by changing your diet and moderating alcohol, in this study you could decrease your risk by 35%. That's only by changing 2 things.
And if you've been living unhealthy and you make these changes now, you can see the benefits, right?
That's absolutely right. It's never too late to start the changes, and it's never too early to begin.
And we can't tell people enough. You know, I say to you all the time, well, again, but we really can't say enough. Thank you, Dr. Narula.